So here's how you can make a shared calendar on an iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you can start using your built-in calendar app, the Apple one, where you can get inside and on this like main view where you might see your day or month. At the bottom, you can see another calendar icon where you can click and see all of the ones which you are currently subscribed to, and all of the things are in here. And at the bottom you have the add calendar button, and you can choose from different types. So usually the built-in like calendar or the regular one is the just the calendar. So you can just like click on it to start a new one, and you essentially of course give it a name or whatever. And if you want to like share it or make it shared with other iPhone users or Apple devices, it's ideal to set it up with iCloud, because you might also have like other accounts like Google one, whatever. But you need to make sure that you give it a name, color, all that kind of thing. But the sharing is very important. So you can add the person. So you might see like your family, or look up someone, like click the plus button and go to your contacts and literally share it with those people. So that is how you can make a shared calendar, meaning that you will be able to invite other people to see it, and you can like collaborate on it and whatever. So that is kind of how it works. On the other hand, you can also add like a subscription calendar, which is a different thing. This is how you can add an existing URL if it exists and you already have it, so you can subscribe to it that way. But yeah, that's how you can find it if you already want to like subscribe to a shared calendar. But that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to find it and make it work on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.